welcome to inauguration session of it's a kind of a small inauguration for the Ajit Senapor's English class for FabLab Markandura's participant. So we just first welcome Ajit sir, who has been a teacher for all of us. And then, right, so let me also, yeah, it's recording. Basically, so he came here and it was an honor and pleasure for us to have this because he has been teaching for more than 40 years now, I think. 35 years, and we kind of accidentally found him, actually reinvented him, and he has been kind and generous enough to come back here. And so welcome you, and also welcome my colleagues here. We also have special people joining from other countries. Sanjeeva from Japan, Greshan from the United States, and Luka and are from Colombo. So I welcome you all, and we are just going to have like an informal chat. But you can also first introduce yourself because you are also in the screen, so that the people can see you, and we can also discuss what we are going to do. And Sanjeeva and the Niluka's family are like the sponsors for the event, particularly for their generosity. We are going to have this class. In fact, Ajit sir has volunteered to do it for free, but we want to have some kind of arrangement because that is how we work. For example, the 3 girls are here on our scholarship. They are also funded by our community. So welcome, and I want you to maybe starting from Greshan, Sanjeev and Nilu, just to say hello to. Yeah, Hari. Okay, you can, Greshan, you can speak and introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Greshan Fernando, and yeah, I'm very happy to see this occasion. And basically, actually, I was a student of Ajit sir. I'm not sure Ajit sir does not remember me, but I was a student of Chaminda. I'm waiting and
I unmute my mic.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let me restart. So I was a student of Ajit sir in 1988, actually, but I was there only for a very short period. So therefore, I don't think that Ajit sir remember me. I wish I was there for more period, but I was there probably about 6 months, 6 to 9 months only in the weekend classes. So it was a short period, but when I started to go to Sarsaviya, that means Ajit sir's, English classes, my English knowledge was zero. But within that 6 or 9 months, I gained all the knowledge that, I shouldn't say all the knowledge, but what I use today, I learned within that 6 or 9 months. So although it was a short period, and I still wish that I could go for more time there, but I couldn't. But anyhow, the service that Ajit sir have provided to the region, the Kulia, Pitia, Pannala, and those regions is enormous, actually. So we highly appreciate that, and I think now we have got an opportunity here to harness that the abilities that Ajit sir has, and basically create that same sort of enthusiasm towards learning English, and then English language is the platform for anything that we want to do. Like, for example, the Fablanca organization that you're right there. We do all the communications in English because everything in the world that technology is in English medium. So therefore, English is the foundation that everyone in Sri Lanka should have. So given that, I think this is like a very important moment, especially in our Fablanca history. It's going to be an important moment. I'm pretty sure that in the future we will consider this as a very important milestone. In fact, in the near future. So with that, again, I would like to thank Ajit sir for taking, basically volunteering to teach. I know that there are sponsors to help with this, but basically Ajit sir's enthusiasm and desire to help us is greatly appreciated. Yeah, thank you again.
Krishan, if you don't mind, Ajit sir will talk later, but now what he was saying about his students, he has mentioned that there are some people who have a lot of degrees and other education after his education English class. So if you don't mind, please explain what did you study after English class at Sarasavia, and also what you are doing now. You have to introduce Chitra, Dr. Chitra, and your daughter, and what they are connected.
Yeah, so basically after after attending Ajit's English class for 6 to 9 months, I started to learn chartered accounting. So that's why I stopped going to English classes there. So and then after that I went to University of Peradeniya for engineering studies, and then after finishing my engineering degree there, then I came to US for my graduate studies. So in the US I did masters and PhD degrees, and after that I started and now I'm working for Boeing Corporation here for the last 10 years. So that's basically the highlights of my entire career. So I have my daughter here, Nisha, and then Chitra is also a student of Aditya. So
Chitra, can you explain your medical career and your connection to Sarasavia, please?
Ajit sir might remember me.
No, he has seen many thousands of beautiful girls over the years. And you are now only more beautiful than before, so maybe. Please go ahead. Come to the screen. A bit further.
You want to come
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
You can sit there.
Oh, what am I going to tell?
You can talk about your career.
And what you do there?
I went to Sarasavia in 1990, I think. After 1990, I did A-levels in 1990. And then maybe I went to Sarasavia for 2 or 3 years before I went to Peradeniya Medical School. And then I came here in 2000. So I have been working
You are
here.
MD now, huh? You are MD.
Yes.
Okay.
So I have been working here for about 12 years now.
Yes. So where are you from? From Mahadur?
Sadalankawa.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah. Sola village girls.
There are lots of girls and boys from Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
From Syria.
Yeah.
In those days. And Sasai was filled with students from your area.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Chitra. Thank you for coming online.
Thank you so much, Ajit sir.
Thank you, Nangi. Thank you.
Right. Sanjeeva.
Yes. Ajit sir,
Yes.
I'm so happy to see you like this. Really, I'm happy.
I was very happy.
I mean, after so many years, I joined your classes like maybe it was 1991, and from there to 1992, I guess. What I learned from you helped me a lot to come to the place where I am now. My favorite class was your literature class. I still can remember things you taught there. Don't embarrass me.
So, by the way, have I
So,
changed? Have I changed?
it was like I learned because I was not taking this elocution classes at my my childhood. I learned pronunciations from you really, because you were so particular about the pronunciations. Until I meet you, until I take your classes, I was just pronunciation. I mean, I still can remember one thing you taught me was present and present. I was pronouncing this,
Yes.
those two words same, but the different you taught me, and from there I took elocution very seriously, pronunciations very seriously. So you gave us life, really.
Thank you.
So not only me, I think thousands of people around the world who are having great lives, great making a lot of money, and I mean having a good life thanks to you. I'm grateful to you for
He's emotional.
Where I am now for. I took your classes. I'm for that. And I would run the Fabric class. And I'm so honored to sponsor your class. Thanks for Chaminda. Thanks for inviting me there. And if you guys need any other help, I'm really happy to help you in the future also.
Sanjeeva,
And Chaminda, also, I'd like to appreciate you for all the good work you are doing.
Sanjeeva, now thank you very much.
Yes.
ඔයා දැන් මෙමය දැන් ඔයා මේ ඔයා අපේ ප්‍රදේශයේ කෙනෙක් නේ දැන් මම ඔයා පොඩි කාලේ නේ අපි දැන් අඳුරනවනේ ඔයාගේ තාත්තා මගේ තාත්තා එතකොට දැන් මෙතන ගොඩක් ඉන්නවා ඔයාලට පේනවද දන්නේ නැහැ මේ ළමයි ඔක්කොම මේ ප්‍රදේශේ ළමයි පොඩි ළමයි ටිකක් ඉන්නවා ටිකක් ලොකු ළමයි ටිකක් ඉන්නවා ඔයා පොඩක් ඔයාගේ ස්ටෝරි ටිකක් කියන්න ඔයා දැන් ඉන්නේ කොහෙද මේ ඉඳලා ඔයා ඉගෙනගෙන ඔයාගේ තාත්තට ගියේ පොඩක් අපිට මේක අනිත් අයට ආගන්නත් එක පොඩක් ඔයා සිංහලෙන් හරි කමන්නේ ඒක පොඩක් කිව්වට කමන්නේ
ඔව් මම සනලංකා ඉස්කෝලේ ගියේ මැත්ස් කළේ
ළම කොහෙද ගම ගෙවල්
මැත්ස් කරලා මම ඇත්තටම මේ මැත්ස් කරාට මට යුනිවර්සිටි යන්න කියලා ලොකු ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට් එකක් තිබුණේ නැහැ නමුත් මතක චාමින්ද්‍ර මතක තිය අයිලප් පිරුම සර් ඔව් අයිලප් පිරුම සර් දවසක් මට කිව්වා මේ මහන්සි වුණොත් මට යුනිවර්සිටි යන්න පුළුවන් ඒ හින්දා පොඩ්ඩක් මහන්සිලා වැඩ කරන්න කියලා first time මට ලකුණු මදි වුණා second time තමයි මම මේ මට මතකයි 306 marks ගත්ත second time ඒ තමයි මම හිතන්නේ ඉස්කෝලේ number 1 මම marks වලින් මේ second time තමයි 91 පාස් වෙලා engineering faculty ගියේ engineering faculty එකේ ඊට පස්සේ මට මේ හිටපු ප්‍රොෆෙසර් කෙනෙක් මේ ජපාන් යුනිවර්සිටි එකක් ඉන්ට්‍රොඩියුස් කරලා දුන්නා PhD එක කරන්න ඊට පස්සේ මම ජපාන් ඇවිල්ලා මේ අවුරුදු 5මාරක් මාස්ටර් එකයි PhD එකයි කරා ඊට පස්සේ 2006 තමයි මම පාස් අවුට් වුනේ ඊට පස්සේ මම ඇත්තටම පෙරාදෙන යුනිවර්සිටි එකට ජොයින් වෙන්න හිටියේ නමුත් මට ඒක එක්තරා විදියකින් මේ එපා වෙනවා කියන්නේ මට එකද කරන්න ඕනේ කියන එක මොකද මට පොඩි කියන්නේ පුද්ගලික වශයෙන් මම හරි අකමැති commands ගන්න අනිත් අයගෙන් I wanted to be my own boss ඉතින් ඊට පස්සේ 2000 අවුරුද්දක් විතර කම්පැනි එක වැඩ කරලා මෙහි දේවල් ඉගෙනගෙන මේ කම්පැනිස් වල ඉගෙනගෙන 2006 7 වල තමයි මම මේ මගේම කම්පැනි එකක් දාගත්තේ නමුත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නේ 2008 වල රීමන් ෂොක් එක වගේ දේවල් ඇවිල්ලා ගොඩාක් අමාරුකම් වුණා නමුත් කොහොම හරි දැන් අපි යම්කිසි තැනකට ආවා දෙයන්ගේ පිටින් ඉතින් මේ ජපාන් වල ගේකුත් හදුවා මගේම බිස්නස් එක තියෙනවා බබාලා හම්බුනේත් මෙහෙමයි බබා තුන්දෙනා පුතයි දුවලා දෙන්නයි යම්කිසි තැනක ඉන්නවා ඉතින් දැන් ඒ හැමතැනදීම මට මේ අජිස්ගෙන් ඉගෙනගත්තු ඉංග්‍රීසි මං හිතන්නේ අඩිතාලමක් වුණා මේ මං හිතන්නේ විශේෂයෙන් අපි යුනිවර්සිටි ගිය කාලේ ඒකට ඉතින් අජිස්ට ඇත්තටම I'm so grateful to you. Thank you.
Sanjeev, thank you very much. මේ ඔයා මේ තරුණ ළමයින්ට මොනවද කියන්නේ දැන් ඉගෙන ගන්න සමහර අය දැන් අපි ඒගොල්ලන්ට ස්කෝලර්ෂිප් දීලා දැන් A level කරන්න ඉස්කෝලේ යන්න එන්කරේජ් කරලා දැන් සමහර 3 දෙනෙක් A level කරන්න පටන් ගන්නවා. දැන් පොඩි ළමයෙක් ඉන්නවා. තව කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා. පොඩක් මොනහරි පණිවිඩයක් දෙන්න ඕනම කෙටි.
You never give up. මගේ ජීවිතේ මම තිබුත් දෙයක් තමයි I never gave up. මම උදාහරණයක් ඇරෙන්න කියන්නම් මම මේ 2007 වල කම්පැනි පටන් අරගෙන ලොකු අමාරුකම් වලට මුහුණ පෑවා. ඊට පස්සේ 2011 වල මට ජපනිස් පාර්ට්නර් කෙනෙක් හිටියා එයාට අයින් වෙන්න ඕනේ කිව්වා කම්පැනි එකෙන්. පස්සේ මේ මම එයාගේ ෂෙයාර්ස් ටිකත් අරගෙන ඇත්තටම එතකොට මම ලොකු අමාරු තත්ත්වයක හිටියේ මම හිතන්නේ කම්පැනි ලොස්ට් එක තිබුණා 16 මිලියන් මම හිතන්නේ චාමින්දරත් එක්ක කතා කිව්වා අතේ තිබුණේ මාගාව 1.3 මිලියන් විතරයි නමුත් මම මේ බිස්නස් එකට ආසයි කරන වැඩේට ආසයි ඒ හින්දා මම අතෑරියේ නෑ ඒකේ ප්‍රතිඵල අද තියෙනවා ඉතින් මට දෙන්න පුළුවන් පණිවිඩය තමයි you never give up.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much. So stay online and you can maybe talk also later. So next we have Piri's family.
Shaminder,
Yeah.
Shaminder, there are others waiting to join the meeting. I think you have to accept them, like Sisira.
No, no, we have access for our right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
okay.
already there. So Niluka and Nihara family. Sorry, yeah, Neora family. Piri's family. Can you speak and introduce yourself with connection to Atik sir and Sarasavi?
I don't think you can remember me, sir. Hello, sir.
Hi.
I joined your class in 1992 after my A-levels. I think you have never taught me. I was there for like 8 months.
So where are you from? From Maghabur?
Makhanduru, sir. My father was at irrigation office. I was in the irrigation quarters in Makhanduru.
Now she's here.
Then so you can explain your current status, where you are, and you also introduce your children, the smart kids.
Now I'm in Colombo. I'm married and I'm not working. I'm at home. I'm a housewife. I'm looking after my 2 kids, 2 girls. This is Neora. She's 16 years old. She did O-levels last year. This is Nisha. She's 14 years old.
O-level results school?
I got 8 A's and a B.
Which school are you from?
I'm from.
What are you
Ladies
college, and you are going to what is your A-level studies?
I'm planning on doing the common stream for my A-level subject.
Okay, so now I have three I think students of your age who wanted to give up the studies and go to work in a garment. So now they are here. They are now going to do A-levels. So any message you want to give them?
Sometimes having an education is the best foundation before starting a job, because learning something is always more valuable.
Okay. And you are doing now London A-levels, right? London A-levels, mathematics.
Commerce.
Commerce. What subjects?
I'm doing business, economics, accounting, and maths.
Yeah, that's why I remember only maths. Anyway, okay. Right. Now, so now I asked your mother to also connect you, because later you should come and talk to our people and see what we are doing. Huh? Thank you very much. And your sister can also say something to our community. How old are you first?
I'm 40.
And we have one 12 years old in my class. Okay, can you explain yourself very quickly?
I'm doing O-levels next year. And
Ladies College. And where is your father? What he is doing?
He's a general manager at a garment factory in Bangladesh.
And in Sri Lanka, he works for which company?
Bandits.
Okay. And also, how you do your studies nowadays, both of you?
We were having online classes, but then the London A-level kids, we started school for 1 week. And we're going to start school in August.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
So the other one looks like a mom.
Okay, thank you very much. Now we also have a kind of a outsider, but he is also actually part of our community. Dr. Rishiya.
It's nice to see you, Ajit, after a long time. You haven't changed. Still, you are very handsome.
Thank you so much.
That was handsome.
Do I look young? Tell me.
Sorry, sir, I can't hear you.
Tell me, Frank, do I look young?
I'm young. Young look.
Yes,
Yes, of
young.
course.
That's right. All
How
the
old are
girls
you?
used to admire you so much, you know.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
It's a secret.
It's a secret. It's a secret.
Okay, but okay, but you can get the age by
Same
the
age.
age of the
Sanjeeva, Chitra,
daughter.
me, you're all same age.
I think you are about 50 now. Wow.
Oh, not yet, not yet.
I'm only 40 also.
Almost, almost.
Even when I go to classes, my students ask me for about my age. Then I tell them I'm 28, 30, and so on. Yes, and then there's some girls say, "Oh my goodness, my father has also come to your class, sir." And then the cat comes out of the bag.
Okay.
So whatever it is, thank you very much. And
You
then I
haven't
see guys
changed,
like
huh?
Sanjay Malli, Keshan Malli, and his loving wife and children, and you, I feel that I am living on this earth still. And someday I'll be very happy and proud because my students like you would be proud to say that there was a man of my caliber who walked on this earth in flesh and blood. I'm very happy about that, proud about that. Thank you.
And you will keep your legacy, yeah?
Yes.
So flesh and bones or whatever. Okay, Sisira Ranatunda. So you can introduce yourself and what is your connection to us?
Yeah, very good afternoon and thank you very much for giving this opportunity. I'm Sisira Anatunga. I think studied together with Chaminda and Creation, I think, and then we are basically doing the service to the industry plus the community. And I'm working for multinational company, so basically the engineering discipline. And I take this opportunity to thanks for initiating this, I think, good work for the students because the learning is the process and it's never ending. So with that, I congratulate all the best for the students who are following this and thanks for, I think, giving this opportunity for our students. And we are working with Pablanga, yeah, basically developing the...
Now I remember you had a nice story to tell last time when you joined us, particularly from your background and how you know, up to now what you are doing. So can you also a little bit briefly explain, because we are young people who we want to inspire them for their future education, also to the other guys. So can you explain your education background and where you are coming from and where are you now?
Yeah, I am from Badulla district. I think we have gone to the very difficult stage from our childhood because with the facilities, education, but as mentioned, the commitment and basically the hard work through that, I think we were able to basically go through the examination with the competition and then entered to the Peradeniya University and followed the engineering. And then after joining for the industry, because my background is from engineering background, but we want to get some more basically the knowledge because I start my career in basically rubber and the plastic industry. From the university, we have followed mainly the engineering theories, and that because of that, I was forced to do the education, the higher education in especially in the polymer technology. Then after that, my research work on the virtual technology, because today's entire world is on the virtual technology. Now we realize with after the COVID-19, the technologies matters. So with that, I think only way is, the education. I think if you have the proper education, I think basically we can meet any professionals, or we can meet or we can compete with any country. With that, I think if you have your commitment, if you have basically, if you define your designation, so it's a journey. It's not like just overnight you can do. And this what I think we can share with the students. And please basically commit yourself and be prepared in advance and face whatever challenges which you have to face. And with that, thank you very much again for giving this opportunity.
Also, I want you to tell about your family. I think you have also like bright kids, right?
Yeah, 3 sons. They are going to DES. Elder son is, of course, he's facing this time the O-level exam, and the youngest is just in grade 4. My wife is a teacher. She also basically, in addition to the teaching, she help basically on all social work. So that's what we are staying at Padawatha and working for the multinational company. So my workplace is at Horana.
Okay, there's one more, just a minute. Okay, Kule, you can also explain yourself. I think you join it. So these are members of.
No, I think Sarat, he has another function. I think he will not join.
But he has appeared here. Anyway, so now I want Adit sir to use some words, maybe, I don't know, to all of them. Just a minute, maybe you can come here, talk to the audience so that they can see you, whether you are young or old.
So it's my turn. Dear girls and boys. I should say like that because I think all you are younger to me. That should be so because I'm now 57. I'm 57 and I'm going to my 58th birthday next year. And hari ara panthiyap kalawen potta singalen katha karanna. Ara bloodstream එකේ තියෙන language එක. The vernacular language is always in a bloodstream. But සාමාන්‍යයෙන් when I talk to sentiments or other people, I prefer Sinhala to English. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් sentiments වලට කතා කරද්දී මම භාෂාව තමයි මම හුඟක් කැමති. ඉතින් මට හරි සතුටුයි ඇත්තටම දැන් මේ මම හිතුවේ නෑ මේක. ඒ දවස්වල සරසවි වුණත් නැති. මම මෙහෙම දෙයක් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ නෑ. ඒ දවස්වල මට අවශ්‍ය වුණා නිකන් පිළිපිටි නගරේ චරිතයක් බවට පත් කරන්න. ඉතින් මම දන්න දේ ආසාවෙන් කියනවා. මොකද දැන් මම මේ මගේ දැන් ෆැෂන් මල්ලි දැන් නෝනා එතකොට ඉන්නංගි එතකොට අපේ සංජය මල්ලි එතකොට මේ මහත්මයා මේ මම ක්ලාස් එක සරසවි පටන් ගන්න කාලෙත් මගේ මේ කිසිම මේ අනේ මම මේ ළමයි වලින් මම යම් දෙයක් කරන්න ඕන මගේ මේ හදවතින් මෙහෙම කියලා මම පන්ති පටන් ගත්තේ නෑ. ඇත්තම කතාව මම කියන්න. මොකද මට චරිතයක් වෙන්න ඕනේ because කුලියපිටියේ ප්‍රදේශයේ ඊටම් පල්ලෑ පවුලකින් ඒ කියන්නේ පල්ලෑ කියන්නේ අපි පල්ලෑ කියන්නේ දුප්පත් poverty stricken දුප්පත් පවුලකින් ආපු නිසා ඉතින් අපිට ලොකු සමාජ පිළිගැනීමක් තිබුණේ නැහැ. මිනිස්සු පහත් කරා අපෝ නිකන් මොම් පල්ලෑ තත්ත්වයට දාලා කතා බහ කරේ. ඉතින් මට අවශ්‍ය වුණා මේක මොකද අපි ජීවත් වෙච්ච ප්‍රදේශයේ කුලියපිටිය ටවුන් එකේ ටවුන් එක ඊපස් මැනිකලම මුදියන්සලා ඉතිය කට්ටිය ඔක්කොම අපි අපිට නිකන් පොල්ලෝ ඔබ බොල වර පළ වෙන ඔක්කොම කතා කරන්නේ. ඉතින් මට ඒ තත්ත්වයේ I want to change that situation. ඒක වෙනස් කරන්න ඕන. මගේ අම්මට තාත්තට මගේ සහෝදර සහෝදරයන්ට තත්ත්වයක් අරන් දෙන්න තියෙනවා. මම ඊට පස්සේ දැන් මට ඔය කුස්මයි කොල්ලා ජුලියාගේ මුදුරා අර කොල්ලා අර කළු කොල්ලා අජිත එහෙම තමයි කතා කරන්නේ. ඉතින් අපිට සමහර ලාවට මේ ගමේ වත්තක මේ ගහකින් peer ගෙඩියක් කඩා ගන්න දුන්නෙත් නැහැ. පොරෙන් peer ගෙඩියක් කඩා ගත්තත් ගේලකට මෙලවන් එනවා. එලවන් ගාලා කරා පොලේ ගහනවා ඊට පස්සේ ගස්වල ගෙඩි ගැඩුවොත් කියලා. කොහොම හිටියේ. මම පටන් ගත්ත උගන්වන්න. මම ගුරුවරුන්ට පිස්සු දෙන්නේ ඒකට තමයි මට අවස්ථාව දෙන්නේ. දරුවෙන්ට අපිත් එක්ක උගන්වන්න බෑ. දැන් හොඳයි කියලා. ඉතින් මම චේදාසක් ගොන්නක්දී මට තේරුණා මේ මට අපහාස කරපු සමහර කට්ටිය මට සර් කියනවා. මට මේක මරුණියක්. මම සර් කියනවා. ඒක මොන තත්ත්වයක්. මේ අජ්ජු කියපු කට්ටිය මේ සර් කියලා කියනවා. මම හරි සතුටුයි. ඊට පස්සේ මම බැලුවා මේක හොදට ගන්න. අවංකවද මම හරි ආසයි. මොකද මම ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නේ නැති බණ්ඩාර චානායක සර්. මගේ කන්ටෙම්පරරි කෙනෙක්. අද නුගේගොඩ සක්කයාගේ ප්‍රින්සිපල්. My favorite subject was economics. Economics තමයි favorite subject එක. මට ඒකක් තියෙන first time. මට ගුරුවරු කිව්වා තමසේ පටන් ගන්නවා ඉකොනොමික් රෙගුලේෂන් කියලා. Not I wanted to be a කල්සුද්දා. මට ඒකට කල්සුද්දෙක් වෙන්න ඕන කියලා තිබුණා. තාත්තිය වුණා කල්සුද්දෙක් වෙන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඉංග්‍රීසි ටිකක් පුළුවන් වුණා. ඊට පස්සේ දැන් මම බැලුවා අනික දැන් මේ දැන් කියනවා නිලු දැන් මේ නිල්ලෝ වගේ කෙල්ලෝ ඉස්සර පන්තියාවට ලස්සන සුදු කෙල්ලෝනේ අපි දිහා බලන්නේ අපි ඉතින් ඉස්සර ඔය වගේ කෙල්ලෝ බලන්නේ නැහැ අවුරුදු 18යි දුවේ පටන් ගත්තා බලන්නේ නැහැ අවුරුදු 18යි කළු කෙසඟ ඉතින් බලන්නේ නැහැ කෙල්ලෙක්වත් යාළු වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේ ඇත්ත කතාව කියන්නේ. ගන්නල සර් කෙනෙක් වුණාම මගේ දිහා ලස්සන ගෑනු ළමයි බායි කියනවා හායි කියනවා එනවා මම නිකන් අන්න සර් යනවා කියනවා හරි ෂොක් මේ වැඩේ. ඉතින් ඔන්න ඔය වගේ අර අවුරුදු 18 19 වයසනේ. ඉතින් මම බැලුවා තව ටිකක් මහන්සියෙන් වැඩ කරන්න ඕන. හොඳ නමක් හදා ගන්න ඕන කියලා ඉතින් පුරුම මහන්සිලා ඉගෙනුවා. ඒ මා වෙනුවෙන් මම ඉගෙනුවා. ඒ කියන්නේ you know when you do something for your own sake you never bluff at you. ඒ වගේ මට බ්ලෆ් කරේ නැහැ. නැත්නම් මට මම බොරු කරගන්න දෙපේ. මම ඉතින් හොතටම මහන්සියෙන් ඉගෙනුවා. ඉතින් ඇත්තටම මේකෙදි මම මට බොරු කරගන්නේ නැහැ කියන්නේ ඒකේ ප්‍රතිලාභය ඉගෙනගත්තු ළමයින්ට ගියා. ඉතින් අනික ඒ ළමයි දන්නේ තව දෙයක් තිබුණා. ආව ළමයි ඔක්කොම ගත් ළමයි. දැන් ඔය බාණ්ඩ ග්‍රේෂන් දැන් මේ දුරදෙනට කියන්නේ මේ අර ග්‍රේෂන් අංකල්. එතකොට මේ සංජය අංකල් ඒගොල්ලෝ ඒ ගත් පිරිස පන්ති වලට ආවා. මම දන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට මේ ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ උගත්කම තුල මටත් බබලන්න පුළුවන් වුණා. ළමයි ඒක දන්නේ නැහැ. බදනම් මම මේ දැනුත් මේ පන්ති කීකී ඒකයි. මම ඉංග්‍රීසි විතරයි දැනන්නේ. ඒක සමහරව හිතනවානේ මේ ඉංග්‍රීසි දැනගත්තාම හරි උගතෙක් කියලා. ඉතින් ඉංග්‍රීසි දැනගත්තාම උගත්කමක් නෙමෙයි. ඇත්තට ඒක ලැන්ග්වේජ් එකක් විතරයි. නැති එංගලන්තේ ඕස්ට්‍රේලියාවේ කැනඩාවේ නිව්සීලන්ත ඔය ඉන්න ඔක්කොම සුද්ධ උගත්තුන් වෙන්නේ බෑ. I met so many foreigners. මම ගා foreigners එක්ක ඉඳලා තියෙනවා. ඒ සමහරව ඉන්නවා මේ ගෙදරකටවත් ගන්න දෙන්නේ නැතිව.
So United Kingdom. So after 5 minutes, this will be disconnected because the free Zoom. Please reconnect back with the same URL. You can connect back. Okay.
ඉතින් මම ඇත්තටම මාත් ඉක්මනට අවසන් කරන්න ඕනේ. මම ඇත්තටම සංජය මල්ලි, ග්‍රේෂන් මල්ලි නෝන කවුද?
නිලු.
නෑ නිලු නංගි ඒක සංජය.
I think you have upgraded.
චිත්‍රනංගි. මම ඉස්සර කතා කරේ කොහොම පන්ති ළමයින්ට නංගිය මල්ලි කියලා. මම අතට ආදරේ දෑසිරි මල්ලි, අකිල මල්ලි, අකිල රාජ කාර්යවසම්. දුවලගේ අධ්‍යාපනතුමා හිටපු ඒත් අපේ පන්ති අපු ගෝලෙත් තමයි අකිල රාජ කාර්යවසම්. හැබැයි මම එතුමාලාට ගියා මම කියන්නේ ගරු ඇමතුමනි කියලා. හැබැයි ඇමතුමනේ කියලා මට වදිනවා ඒක වෙනම ප්‍රශ්නයක්. අදටත් මම දෑසිරි මල්ලි කියලා කතා කරා. ඒ මම පුරුද්ද. නැත්තම් ශාන්ත බණ්ඩාර මල්ලි කියලා කතා කරා. නලින් බණ්ඩාර මල්ලි කියලා කතා කරා. ඒකට ඔව් කොහොමද ඉතින් ඔය පන්ති අපු ළමයි ඉතින් you should be happy and proud of your parents. ඔබේ දෙමාපිය ගැන ආඩම්බර වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් මට ලොකු භාග්යක් මේ වගේ වැදගත් උගත් තත්ත්වකින දෙමාපියන්ට උගන්වන්න ලැබීමත් මට භාග්යක්. එන වාසනාවක්. ඉතින් මට කියන්න තියෙන්නේ නැවතත් මට ඕගොල්ලෝ දකිද්දී ආයසරයක් ජීවත් වෙනවා කියලා හිතනවා දෙක. පුදුම ජායක් කරනවා ආයසරයක් ඉන්න පරම්පරාවට උගන්වන්න. ये रूपों में शक्ति है साली वाला पुरुष नहीं काली मन साली वाला पुरुष नहीं मैं साली हम बकार ना मत ले कुछ संपूर्ण साली उड़ान नहीं पुना ना मैं साली वाला पुरुष नहीं मत होना करे यार आधे करना एक तो बैठ लेवल में किया नहीं लोग के बात ये में एक है मैरिज दाव सका एक
दूसरा बड़ा क्या
दूसरा दिन ने किन्ना वाटा लोग दूसरा तारू की दिव्या अंजलि तेरे कौन केला या लैंग्वेजेस करे या फ्रेंच इंग्लिश දැන් ලැබුණ අවුරුද්දේ මේ චාමින්ද අංකල් ලොකු ජර්මන් මාස්ටර් එක කරන්න. එයා දැනට ෆ්‍රෙන්ච් ටීචර් කෙනෙක් වශයෙන් වැඩ කරනවා කොළඹ නුගේගොඩ ඉන්ටර්නැෂනල් ස්කූල් එකක. පොඩි දුව මේ අවුරුද්දේ ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම් ඕලෙවල්ස් කරනවා වෙන්න අපේ. එහෙම තමයි මායි දුවලා දෙන්න. ඉතින් සතුටින් ඉන්නවා.
Right now again disconnect වෙනවා but come back because no I have started කරා.
ඔව් ඔක්කොම ඔක්කොටම අනේ ඔක්කොටම කතා කර ඔක්කොටම මේ හැම දෙයක්ම සාර්ථක වේවා කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා. හැමෝටම උත්සාහයි. නිදිත් නිරෝගී සුවය. I become sensitive.
Yeah. That's one strength of you. We have met a lot of national, international lecturer, but you are one of best because we remember you.
I feel very happy and proud. Also, I become sensitive. Thank you very much for talking to me. Thanks.
Okay. Keshamana again, Dina?
No, thank you again. Yeah, good afternoon again.
This is only a start of our, long session, long journey together. So he become like a member of Casablanca community. So we'll have a lot of other future projects, because particularly we want to start standard class later. Maybe we have facility upstairs, but this is just to engage Ajit sir back in our community, and also he told us that he's also learning new things about technology, about 3D printing, and also he learns about his own students, former students, the children he has given, like as Sanjeev mentioned. So we are also happy, very happy that we have this global community, and we will formulate it actually as an association or something later. I just want to have this session only today in a small scale, but I'm sure when I posted about Ajit sir in my Facebook, there are many thousands of people, interested, and they give a lot of suggestions, and I couldn't even control the enthusiasm. So we do it. I'm an engineer. We both, all of us are actually engineers. So we do this step by step. Not excited.
So that I have earned in my lifetime.
Exactly.
All wealth I have earned in my lifetime.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly. So those things, even after your life, that will be there, and also their children. I will not have no children most probably, but there are people who are like like my children, Class, Dus, Sanjeevas, all the people, and also these guys are my children now. So okay, so basically, I don't know how it goes further. 40 minutes disconnect. But then I disconnect. Anybody?
Disconnect වෙන්න මේක continue කරන්න ඒක මම දැක්කා මේ continue වෙනවා කියලා.
Sanjeev.
අජිත් සර් දී බුදු සරණයි කියලා තමයි කියලා දෙන්නේ. සර් ගොඩක් පින් කරලා තියෙනවා සර්. මේ අපි වගේ හාල් පාරෝ මේ වගේ දැන් වල ඉන්නේ සර් පින් සිද්ධ
එහෙනම් අපි මේක මේ I'm sorry. Right. So I think we can disconnect that, because we have to also start the class. Thank you very much for joining. Hello.
Yeah.
I know.
All right. මට ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙතන ස්පීකර් එකකින් කරගන්නද? කතා කරන්න කොහොමද සංජීව?
I know Chamid.
Okay.
ඔයා කියන්නේ I know.
So Ajit sir became very emotional, so he went out. But thank you very much for joining. I think it's a really great opportunity, and for example, for us to connect back. But we will have this, as a continuous process and continuous, future kind of a movement, because Ajit Tennakoon has created something beyond his life in terms of community, and I want to also say that. Now, during that time, it was not only about English education, because this was, when we went there, it was AUP time. So for us, it was like an opportunity to survive, because after A-levels, before going to the university, we were like Nikamoons. So if, police or military captured us, we could have been easily killed, particularly Greshan and me in that duration. So going to Sarasaviya was like, for example, excuse for us to, like we were students then. And also there we got a lot of new ideas, community, people, with some people we have still lifelong connections, plus also some political ideas, because Sarasaviya was a left-learn organization. And therefore, as a result of that, now what we do today, for example, is beyond, just on our private interest. So this is sharing. Now, Ajit sir has given us a very good model where in 1980, whatever the intentions he had that time, it was a community service. So we remember, even now we know that education is a very profitable business. So people learn a lot of money, but his main motivation was to have, the poor guys from Kuliyapitiya, Pandalankawa, Chilao area, Kurunagala, to come and have community and study English together, and also build a relationship. So that has been successfully done for last, I don't know, 4 to 5 years. Something I want to mention, last time also we had Professor from University of Peradeniya, who was the Dean of Faculty of Engineering. He was also our one teacher. Now he mentioned very interesting thing. He said, Ajit, thank you very much for sending engineering undergraduate from Kuliyapitiya area who could comprehend English, because that's one problem at Peradeniya engineering faculty. Not only engineering faculty, any university, people who go to engineering faculty, let's say, or medical faculty, they were good in mathematics or science, but not very good in communicating in English. So we were confident than people from other regions. So Professor Patirana well remember that. So he thanked Ajit sir for that. So it was a really a good like a reflection or credit, but in a simple way to recognize his contribution, not just as a teacher but as a community developer. I would actually call him social change pioneer of having that idea and implement it. So for us, he will remain as a symbol of generosity, education, and rural development, and also change agent for the society. So we will give that credit to him and work with continuously with him in the future. You want to say something last moments? Otherwise, I want to thank you very much for joining today and sponsorship by Sanjeev and Miru. Students are කතා කරනවා කියන්නේ කියලා මෙතනින් ආයේ. ඒගොල්ලෝ දැන් ඔක්කොම අජිත් සර් ඉගෙන ගන්න බලන් ඉන්නේ.
right නංගෝ ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්නද?
ඔව් ඒක තමයි. ඒක තමයි කතාර හිටියොත් එහෙම වලට තරයි.
අජිත් සර් කියන්න තියෙන්නේ සර් මේ හෙල්ත් එක ගැන එහෙම ටේක් කෙයාර්.
ඒක නම් කියන්න පුළුවන් අහන්න නැහැ. කවන්නේ කියලා දාන්න.
තාම අරක කන්ටිනියු කරනවා. අරක කන්ටිනියු කරනවා තාම.
ඔයා ජපානයේ දැද්දි පැකට් එකේ මාර්කට්. එහෙනම් නිලු thank you very much. Sisira, Greshan, Kularatna, Sanjeev, ciao.
Okay, ciao.
Okay,
bye.
thank you very much.
Yeah,
Okay,
you.
all the best. All the best.
Thank you.